Hi everyone, Peter from Troll Emporium here. So in this video we're going to be making a sender hug. So we're going to make a hug out of the paper and the wool, and then you'll send that with a card to somebody you want to give a hug to. So you need to start off with, get all your bits together. So you need your card, your envelope, the paper, wool, and you just need some pens, scissors, glue and tape. So we're going to start off by doing the hands. So you're going to get your paper, both pieces together, and then fold that in half, and you can do both hands at once. Well, my hands are giant, but never mind. And then you're just going to draw around with a pen. Now you can cut that out very carefully. There we go. Next, you want to do it so you've got a left and a right hand. There's a right hand, and there's a left hand. Next, you're going to get your wool and tie a knot in each end. And then you're going to take one of your hand sets and we're going to tape down the wool and then we're going to glue the other half to it. So carefully line it up. There's one hand all done. I'm going to do the same on the other side. You've done your hook. All you need to do now is you can just draw something on your card, write the details of who it's to, and then you can pop it all in the envelope and then send it off as a little gift. And then you're all done.